Today we're going to show you how to assemble the remote bleeder kit for the T56 release bearing. First off, it comes with a couple extra components that we won't need, so we're going to go ahead and set those aside quick. There's 4 crush washers that you won't need. You will need the 5th. And then in addition, the 1/8 inch NPT to AN3 fittings, they come as a pair, and you only need one of those. So we're going to set that aside as well. So let's get started. First off, you're going to want to take the fitting here that screws into your remote bleeder and has the AN3 on one end. And you're actually going to take the crush washer and slide it on to the release bearing side, and it'll screw into your release bearing. And then it'll screw into the other end, or one end, of the braided line that's included in the kit. And you want to tighten that connection up. And then next you're going to take the AN3 to 1/8 inch NPT fitting, and that's going to screw onto the other end of your braided line, like so. And finally, the bleeder itself, it'll screw into that fitting that you just installed, like so. And that'll obviously get tightened down as well. All the connections get tight. And from there, you just crack open that little bleeder on the end and you're good to go. Hope you learned a little bit, and thank you so much for watching.